Hi, my name is Matthias West, Smart Media Solutions, and I wanted to show you one of our highlights here at the IAC 2025, and it's called the Ever 620 wall floor. And the stand, as you can see, consists of this part, which is the body part, and it's possible to raise and lower the body part, so it will fit exactly in your meeting room. And on the back side here, you also have this possibility to mount different kinds of equipment and really hide it behind this PET felt sheet that we have here. It's a motorized stand, so you have the possibility to raise and lower the display, this. And it also comes with different accessories like this one, which is a soundbar holder, so you can fit the equipment that you need in your meeting room. You can go and check us out on www.smartmediasolutions.com. Thank you.